Meanwhile, Chief of Defense Staff Lieutenant General Rocky Meade outlined the boundaries in the St. Andrew Police Division, where the security forces will be operating the state of public emergency.
In the south, extending in a southwesterly direction from the intersection of Chisholm Avenue and Maxfield Avenue, along Maxfield Avenue onto East Avenue, to the coastline in the vicinity of Petrodram, and extending along the said coastline in the vicinity of the Kingston Container Terminal to the Portmore Causeway Bridge. In the west, continuing in a northwesterly direction from the Portmore Causeway Bridge along the Fresh River, the shared parish border of St. Andrew and St. Catherine, west of Riverton, and extending to the vicinity of the westernmost end of the Belvedere to Ferry Secondary Road. In the north, extending in an easterly direction along the Belvedere to Ferry Road to the foot of Red Hills at the intersection of Perkins Boulevard, Mullines Road, and Red Hills Road. And in the east, starting at the foot of Red Hills Road at that said intersection, extending in a southeasterly direction along Mullines Road, Seaward Drive, Mimosa Road, Aloe Avenue, Bay Farm Road, Newark Avenue, Elm Crescent, Keesing Avenue, Hagley Park Road, O'Mara Road, and Chisholm Avenue at the point of intersection with Maxfield Avenue.